it's Felicia back with another wig review, and today I will be reviewing this beauty, yes, from Amazon. Yes, Amazon. This is a synthetic wig from the seller Buladou. I don't know if you guys can see. And this wig cost about $36. I think it was $36.56. I'll attach the link below. But yes, this is supposed to be like a kinky straight wig, kinky blowout, and it's lovely. So if you want to see more about it, keep on watching.
La maquinaria Intel.
Yeah, so if you couldn't tell, this was definitely my first time making baby hairs on a unit. So I had to test that sucker out first. So I cut it a little longer the first time, tested it out, and then went ahead and cut it to more of an appropriate length.
La maquinaria Intel. La maquinaria Intel.
Okay, y'all, so this is the final look, and I have to say I love this. I love her. She looks so good, y'all. She looks so natural. Look at this. You seriously cannot tell my hair from the wig's hair. I mean, oh God. This hair is long. It reaches me to right here, and I'm about 5'4". So yeah, she's pretty long. Eventually I think I'm gonna have to cut her because, as you guys know, synthetic wigs do tangle, and I just don't think that with this length and this texture it's gonna last long if I was to wear it every day. And I'm the type of person, I like to wear my wigs like every day for at least a week or two. But y'all, I can't even keep my hands out my hair. I love her. It didn't take me long to fix her up at all. Honestly, I took it out, you know, as you guys watched, I took it out the box. I made a little bit of baby hairs. I took my hot comb tool, but this time I did not make the mistake of just plopping it on. I tested it on some of the hair that I cut off when I was making my baby hairs, and I tested the hot comb, and it is heat safe. They sent it once again in this cute little box, and they sent false eyelashes, these right here. Oh, excuse my nails. And then also a wig cap. You can't have too many wig caps. But like I said, there's so many different things you can do with this hairstyle. I did put it in a ponytail. You can put all of it behind your ears and then just style your sideburns or leave a little bit out. You can put clips on it if you wanted to.
Isabel, la maquinaria Intel. Isabel, la maquinaria Intel.
But as far as tangling is concerned, it's a long wig, like I said, and it's synthetic. So as you know, long synthetic wigs do tangle. That's to be expected. If you don't want a wig that tangles, don't buy a synthetic wig and don't buy a long synthetic wig, you know, because you're just asking for it. So it tangles. Like I said, if I was to wear this bad boy to work, I would definitely put her in a ponytail. Shedding, sheds a little bit. Nothing excessive. Once again, that's to be expected. It's a synthetic wig. But the shedding isn't overwhelming. Yes, so do not forget to click subscribe down below and join my YouTube family because I have many more videos to come. Tell me how you feel about this hair if you do decide to get it. Tell me if there's any other wigs that you'd like to see me review, and feel free to comment. See you next time. Peace.